Welcome to Harvest Bliss Foods, where we celebrate the beauty and bounty of nature's harvest. Today, we embark on an immersive journey through the world of fruits, exploring how they're harvested, their unique flavors, and how we can transform them into vibrant and delicious salads. From citrus groves and strawberry fields to tropical treasures like avocados and custard apples, let's dive into the magic of nature's sweetest gifts. Harvesting oranges and citrus fruits. We begin our journey in the sun kissed orange groves. Oranges are nature's vitamin C powerhouse, known for their tangy, refreshing flavor. When harvesting oranges, timing is key. Oranges are hand picked with care, ensuring the fruit remains intact. The result? Juicy, flavorful citrus that's perfect for a variety of dishes. One of the simplest and most refreshing ways to enjoy oranges is in a citrus salad. Try combining orange slices with fresh mint leaves and a drizzle of honey. This combination creates a light, energizing dish that's perfect for any season. Exploring the world of grapes, next, we visit the sprawling grape vineyards, where clusters of deep purple and green grapes hang gracefully from the vines. Grapes are rich in antioxidants and natural sweetness, making them ideal for both snacking and salads. A delicious grape salad can be made by tossing fresh grapes with mixed greens, toasted walnuts, and crumbled feta cheese. Drizzle with a light vinaigrette for a perfect blend of sweet and savory flavors. This salad is a wonderful addition to any meal, offering both visual appeal and nutrition. The versatility of apples. Moving on to the apple orchards, we are greeted by rows of trees heavy with fruit in shades of red, green, and gold. Apples are harvested with precision as their stems must remain intact to ensure freshness. To make a vibrant apple salad, toss thinly sliced apples with arugula, dried cranberries, and toasted pecans. Add a touch of lemon juice and olive oil for a dish that's both nutritious and delicious. This salad is perfect for fall gatherings or as a refreshing lunch option. Strawberry fields. Forever strawberries are next on our journey. As we walk through the strawberry fields, the sight of ruby red berries glistening in the sunlight is truly mesmerizing. Strawberries are harvested when they are fully ripened, as they do not continue to ripen after being picked. One of the most popular combinations is a strawberry spinach salad. Combine fresh strawberries with baby spinach, crumbled goat cheese, and candied pecans. Harvesting avocados. Next, we explore the lush avocado groves. Avocados are a tropical treasure, known for their creamy texture and rich, nutty flavor. Harvesting avocados requires precision, as they must be picked at just the right stage of maturity. Unlike many fruits, avocados ripen after being harvested. Farmers carefully cut each fruit from the tree, ensuring the stem remains intact to prevent spoilage. Avocados are incredibly versatile and can be used in salads, smoothies, and even desserts. Custard apples, a unique delight. Our journey continues to custard apple trees, where these tropical fruits hang like treasures waiting to be discovered. Custard apples have a soft, creamy texture and a sweet, fragrant flavor. They are harvested when the skin begins to soften, indicating ripeness. This combination is a true celebration of tropical flavors and is perfect for a summer dessert or snack. Health benefits of fruits. Beyond their delicious taste, fruits offer a wide range of health benefits. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall well being. For example, citrus fruits like oranges are high in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and promotes healthy skin. Thank you for joining us on this fruit filled adventure. We hope you feel inspired to explore new fruits and create your own delicious salads. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Harvest Bliss Foods for more farm fresh content and creative culinary ideas. Until next time, happy